Tinnitus, the sound that never quiets down. As with many other things in life, there are tips and tricks that will help you or your loved one treat or relieve the discomforts of tinnitus. The following video is full of great information that will help you to lessen the discomforts that are caused by this irritating disorder. Join a support group if you suffer from chronic tinnitus. Tinnitus can be extremely stressful for some people, and having someone to talk to about it can help you feel better. It also is beneficial to be around others that understand what you are going through. If you cannot find a group locally, you can join one online. Get your ears cleaned by a medical professional at the first signs of tinnitus symptoms. Using Q-tips at home only compresses the wax in your ears most of the time, so most people have an excess of earwax and don't even realize it. Try to stay away from stressful situations. Tinnitus often gets worse when you feel anxious, possibly because of how stress affects your blood flow. Do your best to think about what situations may be stressful in advance, and choose to do something else instead, so that you will stay calm. Invest in sound generators and install it close to the head on the frame of your bed. A sound generator produces a soothing white noise to block out the ringing in your ears and allows you to relax and sleep. The white noise helps you fall and stay asleep. You are now equipped with some helpful advice about how to deal with your tinnitus. Hopefully you are starting to feel much better about your situation now that you have learned these tips. If you put them to use, you can find some peace in your life. You may eventually find that the disorder improves or disappears. Brain scan uncovers the real root cause of tinnitus and what you can do about it, starting today. Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Would you like to learn how to naturally ease tinnitus? Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Link in the description.